How to watch One Punch Man in English. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can watch One Punch Man in English, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to watch One Punch Man in English, the official way is to go to crunchyroll.com. Once you go to crunchyroll.com, you'll have a free account. You can also have a subscription if you want to. With the free version, you'll just get ads, that's all. So just go ahead and then type in the search box One Punch Man. And once you do that, here you can see subtitle version, and then you'll see the dubbed version as well. So if it has the English version, you'll find those. Otherwise, you can simply watch from subtitles. Then once you've done that, you can simply tap on start watching episode 1, and then once you have done that, you can just go ahead and then begin streaming if you want to. This way you should be able to go ahead and then watch One Punch Man in English. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.